To get started with Rocket Money savings goals, first download and install the Rocket Money app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account and link your bank accounts to the app. This will allow Rocket Money to track your income and expenses, providing a clear picture of your financial situation. Next, navigate to the Savings Goals section within the app. Here, you can set specific savings targets, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. Assign a name to your goal and set a target amount. Then choose a deadline for achieving the goal. Rocket Money will then calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your target. You can adjust this amount based on your individual financial situation. The app will also provide personalized recommendations for reducing expenses and allocating funds towards your savings goal. To maximize your savings, take advantage of Rocket Money's automated savings feature. This allows you to set up recurring transfers from your checking account to your savings account, making it easy to build the habit of regular saving. You can also set up notifications to track your progress and stay motivated. In addition to setting savings goals, Rocket Money offers tools to help you manage your expenses and stay on track. The app provides detailed reports on your spending habits, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards your savings goals. By following these steps and utilizing the features offered by Rocket Money, you can create and achieve effective savings goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your goals as your financial situation changes. And take advantage of the app's personalized recommendations to optimize your savings strategy. With Rocket Money, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards achieving your long-term financial objectives.